Do you need a fun Easter card to give to family and friends? Well, I have one for you. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from thebeardedhousewife.com, the blog and YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I have these really fun HOPPY Easter insert cards for you. They can be made on either your CRICUT Joy, your CRICUT Explore Air 2, or your CRICUT Maker. So they're super easy to put together. I did them with 3 different kinds of markers, or 3 different kinds of pens, which is different than my usual insert cards. So we have a few things to do in Design Space. So let's head over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the file, and then we'll get started making it.
Okay, so here we are on my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my file library, you can click the Get Access tab. You'll fill out a form and be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. Once you type in the password and click Enter, you'll be brought to the file library. You're going to want to head to number 69, which is the HOPPY Easter insert card. Click on that hyperlink and then download it to your computer, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space and we can get started making this card. Okay, so we have a new project in Design Space open. We're going to head to Upload, and then Upload Image, and then Browse. Find where we downloaded that file onto our computer, and click Open. And then head down here and click Upload. Highlight that image, and then click Insert Image, and it will bring it into our canvas. Now, normally my insert cards are all set for you, but because I have this set to be used in different colors, there's a few things that we have to do. So the first thing that we need to do is head on up to Ungroup the complete design, and now head down to the Easter text layer, click on that, and then head over to the Operations menu and select Pen. And from here you can change the color to whatever color you choose. For this tutorial, I'm going to change it to magenta. And now we need to repeat that for the other 2 layers. If you want to write the card in one color, all you need to do is highlight all 3 of the text boxes and change the pen and the color to the same color. Alright, now we need to change the fold line to a score line, highlight that in the layers panel, and then change that to score under operation. Now we can highlight all 4 of those layers, all 5 of those layers, and then hit attach. There we go. I've already set the score line for the envelope, so we can just hit make it. And you'll see all 3 layers in the matte preview. Go ahead and hit continue. Once your machine connects to Design Space, you can select your material. I am choosing the medium cardstock material. And for this tutorial, we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat. Our different colored cardstock, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, the pens in the different colors, CRICUT scraper, and a CRICUT brayer. I'm going to go ahead and get everything loaded onto the mat and cut out, and I will see you when everything's all done. Alright, now that everything's been cut out, we can go ahead and start to assemble. We're going to go ahead and fold along the score line of the outer card. And press the fold line with your scraper. Open up the card. And then you'll want to insert the insert layer into the tabs on the outer card layer. And there you go. Now you'll see that some of the little bits have kind of folded a little bit, so get that back into place. And then I'm going to grab my glue here. And just add a couple of dabs of glue in the spots that don't want to sit right. There we go. And now for the envelope, we're going to go ahead and fold along the score lines of the envelope. Fold in those side flaps, and then take our adhesive or glue, run a little line of glue or some adhesive on those side flaps, and then fold up on the bottom flap, give it a little press, and the envelope is all done. Aren't these so cute? Let me grab the other one that I made. This one was with some lighter pens. Grab those so you can see. That's with the darker colors. And these were with the lighter ones, which makes like a watercolor effect. I love it.
Aren't those super cute? I love the way that you can change the look with changing the lighter color or darker color pens. That lighter color really does give it a watercolor effect. If you don't want that watercolor effect, you can just use a darker pen. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other cards and a whole bunch of CRICUT stuff, so make sure that you go check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see everybody later. Bye.